Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Hemingway Editor for readable SEO content, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Hemingway Editor website. On the home page, look for the Get Hemingway button. Click on that button to initiate the subscription process. You'll be redirected to the pricing page. Review the available subscription plans. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. Click on the Purchase button next to your selected plan. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a password. Review the terms and conditions before proceeding. After that, click on the Sign Up or Continue button. Next, enter your payment information on the secure checkout page. Double-check your billing details for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, click on the Complete Purchase button. You will receive a confirmation email shortly. Follow the link in the email to activate your account. Log in to your new Hemingway Editor account. Now you're ready to start using Hemingway Editor for your content. Explore the features to enhance the readability of your SEO content. Make sure to take advantage of the editing tools available. Begin creating clear and concise written material for your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.